We designed Magisto in order to help people do video storytelling essentially in a click and getting the highest quality possible. And we did that by developing a very, very sophisticated AI technology that essentially does the work for you. So Magisto is not a video editing software. It's actually a video editing service. It's almost as if you have a team of video editors that does the work for you. And that technology was embedded on a cloud-based platform and serves right now over 70 million users worldwide that are creating hundreds of millions of videos with it. Magisto is a very unique video creation application. Usually when you see other video creation applications, there's two kinds of them. The ones that are very, very complicated and sophisticated, designed for professional video editors. These are usually not relevant to most of us people. And they're the simplified versions of video editing. They're useful for everybody, but they're not very powerful. Magisto kind of combines the ease of use of easy video application with the powerful video creation of the most sophisticated application. And it does that by providing you with a service. The service is reliant on an AI technology developed proprietary in the company, based over 20 patents that we developed in the company, that is creating what we call story detection and get back to you a fully produced professional video to tell a story in a matter of seconds of your time and minutes of absolute time. I think China is very interesting for us as a market. We see a lot of interesting capturing behavior for photography in China, video and photos, and obviously a huge spread of mobile in China. And then there's also things like WeChat that shows that this market is exhibiting very, very high social behavior when it comes to apps and mobile, and combining the capturing behavior, the social and mobile. This seems like a very, very big opportunity for creating a video storytelling community in China. It seems that the need is there, but we don't see any solution right now that seems to answer this need.